It's Rio Red Sky, your host. Welcome back. Today we're going to be making a salmon Alfredo. And I already have my salmon. This is from H-E-B, center cut. And I'm trying to cut it open. There we go. And we're going to chop it into 3 pieces. They are very chunky. I think this is a pound of salmon. And we're going to lay it out. Let's preheat the oven to 450 and I'm going to put them on a pan. This is my first time baking salmon, so please don't judge me too much. We're going to put some oil. I put a little bit too much, but we're just going to rub it in and get the salmons nice and oily. And that's me taking off the oil because I put way too much. I'm going to season with this fishmonger stuff. It's like an orangey, zesty, but Cajun-y kind of spice, and it's super good. I'm also going to season underneath the salmon because I like to eat the skin. It gets all crispy, at least I hope. Salt and pepper, yes, and they're good to go. So let's get them in the oven so they can start baking. And I'm going to prepare the pasta. I'm going to use Rao's spaghetti. It's the best. It's so good, and it never makes me feel bloated, so I love it. Don't forget to salt your water. Now we're going to start the Alfredo sauce. These are all the spices I'm going to use. Screenshot, write them down, take a picture, and let's get started. We're going to do a hefty spoonful of butter. Let that melt. We're going to add the garlic powder, the lemon pepper, the red pepper, and garlic salt, as well as black pepper and oregano. And we're going to mix it up and kind of let it cook with the warm butter. I'm going to put the heat a little higher, and we're going to add the heavy cream to the cooked spices in the butter, and we're just going to kind of mix until everything gets really smooth. And we have a bonus spice. We're going to be adding some paprika, a little bit for flavor, but more for color, and we're going to mix it all up and make it look nice. Look at how good that's starting to look. We're also going to add a little bit of pasta water. I say about 2 tablespoons per cup of sauce is good. And we're going to mix it up. This is the Parmesan I'm going to use because I plan to make this, but you can use regular Parmesan, like from a little can looking thing like this. I'm adding both because I love cheese. So let's mix it up and let all the cheeses melt together. And we want to do a little taste test just to make sure everything's tasting right and if we need to add more seasonings or not. So everything's good. The salmon is done now. Look at how beautiful it looks. And I'm just going to set them to the side to rest. I'm going to season my pasta with some extra virgin olive oil and some butter, a little bit of black pepper, some oregano, and some garlic powder. We're going to mix it all up. They're like butter noodles, which are so good. And let's plate it. Look at how incredible this Alfredo sauce looks. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my God. Some more cheese, please. And here's the gorgeous salmon on top. We're going to garnish it with some parsley. Make it look pretty. And here's the final product. What do you guys think? Doesn't it look so good and scrumptious? I can't wait to eat this. Oh my God. Look at that. And maybe I should shut up. Okay, here's the final taste test. In my opinion, the sauce came out amazing every single time. It was my first time baking salmon. And it came out really juicy and tender and so good. So if you guys try this recipe, let me know. It'll be in the caption. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And again, this was your host, Rio Red Sky. Thank you guys so much for watching.